Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change the video format or ratio in the CapCut PC. So I have this clip that currently in the horizontal uh, layout like this, and if you want to change the ratio format, you can just click on this ratio button. Click on this and there will be a lots of preset ratio preset that CapCut PC provided. You can just choose which one to use, or you can also customize it on your own. For example, I want to make this video square. Just click on the desired ratio and it will be changed like this, but you need to adjust the scale, so you need to make it like this, zoom it in to make it fit the format. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for
じゃ、
watching.
頼ん
Don't
だぞ。
forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.